LegalZoom Online Incorporation app. The pros, the cons. The LegalZoom Online Incorporation app helps entrepreneurs form corporations and LLCs quickly, but most people get this wrong when they think incorporation is just about picking a name. The surprising truth is that proper incorporation involves legal documents, state filings, and compliance considerations, and this app simplifies the entire process. Through the app, users can choose the right business structure, file formation documents, and even obtain INs. LegalZoom provides step-by-step guidance and templates to ensure all required documents are properly prepared and submitted. This reduces the risk of errors that could delay approval or cause legal issues down the line. A key advantage is convenience. You don't need to navigate complex state-specific forms manually. The app handles the heavy lifting. Another pro is the transparency of costs and services, helping new business owners budget effectively. LegalZoom also offers add-on services like registered agent support and compliance monitoring, which can be a huge time saver. On the downside, the app doesn't replace personalized legal advice. Businesses with complex ownership structures, investors, or regulatory requirements may need an attorney to ensure proper formation. Additionally, while the platform is user-friendly, additional fees can accumulate depending on the services chosen. In conclusion, the LegalZoom Online Incorporation app is a fast, reliable, and cost-effective way to form a business. It streamlines the paperwork, ensures compliance, and provides guidance every step of the way. While it may not replace full legal counsel for complicated setups, it's ideal for startups and small business owners looking to incorporate quickly and confidently.